Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making water pie. So to make the water pie, we have gelatin and we have a pie pan. I've got the pie pan and I'm going to get some snow. Just grab the snow. Next, we are going to make the jello. First, to make the gelatin, we need to boil water. But first, before we do that, we have to see how many cups of water this thing can hold. So we're going to see how much gelatin we have to use. We got 1 cup. We're going to put it in here. 2 cups. I think we're just gonna do 3 cups because there is some snow in with it. Now we gotta pour 3 cups of water into the pan. And 3 cups. Now while it's boiling, I'm going to put the gelatin packets in the pan. Get all of that in there. So it's almost boiling. I'm going to skip to me pouring that into this when it's boiling. Okay guys, so it kind of spilled over in the process of me making the jello, but and oh yeah, there we go. Just gonna...
I added more water and more snow.
So I am done with the water pie. This is what it looks like. Spread snow, so it's a layer of ice and then water underneath. Water, ice, and then snow. And then I sprayed a little water in the middle. So that right there. And it's rock hard. So I'm going to cut it with a knife. There we go. We have a slice. Water pie?
A few moments later.
Tastes horrible. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time.